Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to download any book or textbook for free directly on your iPhone or if you're using an iPad. For that, all you have to do, go to Safari or any browser you're using, and in here write libgen. It's a website. You're gonna search libgen, Libgen, and click on the first server, that is libgen.is. Click on it, and in here search any book you wanted. For example, if I go for Money the Master by Tony Robbins, and in here you can see on the right side you can see the on the left side you can see the authors, and this is the second book, that is Tony Robbins. And in here in the end, make sure that the file extension is EPUB. When you're downloading with EPUB, it is easily saved into your Apple book. But if you're downloading it into PDF, there's a way to save it into your Apple book. So if you think this book is for you, Tony Robbins, Money Master the Game, 7 Simple Steps to Financial Freedom, click on that book. And as you get into the website, in here make sure that this is the right book. This is the right book you're looking for. And in here, come down and see in the mirror options, click on this gen.lib.rus.ec. click on this. This is the downloading site. Click on it, and in here you can see this option called get on the top of the book. Click on this get option. Alright, when you click on get option, the book starts to download, and let it be downloaded first. And the book is finally downloaded. Click on the button download, and you can see on the right side corner there is an option, there's a download option, and you can see the video is being downloaded. In here you can see it's being downloaded. I have already downloaded a book by Kiyosaki, that is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Alright, the book is finally downloaded. Click on the book itself, on this picture. Don't click on search bar, click on this one. Make sure your Apple book ID or your Apple book application is already downloaded. If not downloaded, you have to download it first. Then you can see now it's automatically moved to my Apple book, and you can see I can flip through the pages. I can read the book easily. If I go and move it outside, and again I open up this tab and click on books, and you can see in books it's easily available. If I go to my library, you can see this is Tony Robbins book. I have already downloaded other books. This is an easy way to download free books without paying any simple or even a cent. So I think this video helped you to download any book or textbook you're looking for free directly on your iPad or iPhone. That way you save a lot of money and a lot of time. So if you think this video helped you, please make sure to leave us a comment, and we'll see you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.